If you want to scan a QR code on Nothing Phone 3, we have a couple of methods. You can, for example, open the camera app, and then we can aim at the QR code in order to find this red button. We can tap on this button in order to immediately open the link in the default browser. We can also go to Quick Settings, and over here you should also be able to find the QR code scanner. And there we go. In my case, it is over here, so we can tap here in order to activate the QR code scanner, and then we can either open it in the browser or you can just go back. You can also scan the QR code from photo in this case. And there's also a little tip for you. If you press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen and go to widgets, you can add Quick Settings widget. So let's say I'm gonna use this one. And if we add it to the home screen, then you can choose what should be assigned to that option, and we can find QR code scanner. So we can have a QR code scanner over here in the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.